Let's learn to paint this quick, easy watercolor flower pot. Hello everyone, I am Sanika and I am back with a new video. So this time we'll be painting a nice flower pot which is going to be very easy. So just follow the steps that I am doing. So right now I am using watercolor sheets to paint this one. I have simply drawn a very basic pot on my sketchbook. This is a spiral sketchbook from Manora. You can find the link for the products that I am using in the description. So you can carefully observe I am using the peacock blue color here, and with that just observe the strokes that I am making and the areas in which I am painting those. So I have started with the darker pigments here, and with the darker pigments I have painted them in certain areas which you can mark and paint accordingly. And after that I am just wetting my brush with water and I am just trying to spread the color and blend it nicely in the remaining parts of my pot. While drawing the pot, make sure you do it very lightly. And then slowly go on blending it more with your water. So just add a little amount of water and go on spreading it nicely and make it nice and even. Try to get the edges nice and sharp. And just blend in the other strokes nicely throughout your pot. So right now I am using the watercolor sheets, but if you want to know more about the watercolor pans and tubes that I use daily, then you can check out the video, the link of which is there on the top, as well as you can just check it out after the video ends. So our main first color is done, and now we'll just add a darker shade. So I'm using a Persian blue color for this, and we'll just add some nice darker shade to our pot to give in nice depth to it. You can see the color below is still wet, so make sure you do it quickly when your bottom colors are yet wet. So that will help your darker color to merge in nicely with the bottom color. So by adding the dark color, your entire painting will actually get a very nice depth, and it will be a nice shade of dark and light which will actually depict nice light and shadows. So just mark the positions in which I am giving this color and do it accordingly with me while watching the video slowly. Now our pot is done, and I am using the chrome yellow color to make some flowers. You don't need to draw the flowers at first, you can just directly go and paint them. So I am using a 8 number round brush for this. I'll also link that in the description, the set of this brush. So just observe the way in which I am making these strokes, and you can similarly do those. You don't need to worry much about the shape of the petals that you are getting, just keep them natural, but do it in one stroke. Don't overdo your strokes, don't keep on painting over it again and again. Just make one stroke and stop. Even if it is not perfectly right, then also it's fine, you can make them of different shapes, not a worry, but don't overdo it. Just go with one single stroke at a time. Okay, now I'm taking a darker shade of yellow ochre and I'm just dropping in some of the yellow ochre shade in the central part. You can also drop in orange instead of yellow ochre, or you can also drop in a little of brown or burnt sienna for it. Do this when your yellow color is still wet to get a nicer effect. Now let's do our other flowers in the similar way. And I'll be using the same techniques, but the shape and sizes of the flower or the angle in which they are turned will be slightly different. So just observe that carefully and do it accordingly. Apart from that, if you wish to learn more from me, I have very detailed classes on Skillshare. So Skillshare is a platform on which you can just watch pre-recorded sessions which are very detailed sessions. So if you wish to learn those, I can give you a 14 days free trial as a teacher on Skillshare. So the link for the 14 days free trial is there in the description of this video. So if you register via that link, you will get a 14 days free trial in which you can watch all my classes on Skillshare for free. Apart from that, the links for all the other helpful materials which are there, like the supplies I use and the blogs that I have written and everything, is there in my description. So make sure to check the links in my description of this video. And also, if you are enjoying this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and drop in a comment so that I'll know that you are liking my content and I'll be able to make more such content for you guys. Okay, so see, I have made some of the flowers which are almost half or some like buds. So do that. Now we are done with the flowers, so I'll just take some sap green color now and we'll make some stems, branches, leaves, etc. and we'll add our greens and complete this beautiful flower pot. Also, if you have reached till here and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button below this video and also make sure to press on the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I post any new videos and you will be able to see that. So now we are done with the greens as well, and let's just add a last detail with our burnt umber color, which is the dark brown color. So with that, I'm just adding some dots in the center of the flower and we'll be done with this painting soon. and we are almost done painting this beautiful painting. So if you try it out, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Arty Vibes by Sanika, and you send me your drawings when you do it, or else tag me when you post it on your Instagram account. I'll be really happy to see them. So hit the like button and drop in a comment if you want more such videos from me.